Identify components of diesel engine listed below. Diesel engine. Marine engines on ships are responsible for propulsion of the vessel from one port to another. Whether it's of a small ship sailing in the coastal areas or of a massive one voyaging international waters. A marine engine of either 4-stroke or 2-stroke is fitted on board ship for the propulsion purpose. In this chapter we will only see the components of marine 2-stroke diesel engine. Exhaust manifold, turbocharger, Scavange manifold, Scavange air cooler, connecting rod, crankcase, crankshaft, bed plate, exhaust valve, piston, piston rod, inlet port, stuffing box, crosshead, A-frame. Bed plate. It works as a foundation block for the marine diesel engine. They are right at the same time strong and flexible to support weight and handle fluctuating forces produced by the engine. A-frame. They support the cylinder block. It is separately fabricated structure mounted on top of the bed plate. They carry crosshead guides while supporting the cylinder block, and are secured to the bed plate using bolts. Entablature. An entablature is a part of the ship's main engine. It is the housing which holds the cylinder liner, along with the scavenge air space and cooling water spaces. Crankshaft. It is a key component of an engine transmitting cylinder power to the propeller shaft. It is subjected to high torsion and fluctuating bending and shear stress. Camshaft. A 2-stroke marine diesel engine have fewer cam on the camshaft than a 4-stroke engine due to the fact that there is no inlet valve in 2-stroke engine, which require cam movement for scavenging. To ensure the correct timing for exhaust and fuel injection, a camshaft is driven by crankshaft. They are connected together either by a chain or gear based on the engine design. Piston. It is to convert the force of expanding gases during combustion process to mechanical energy. A piston can be called as the heart of an engine, as it transforms all that energy under fluctuating thermal and mechanical stress. Piston rings. It provides sealing of combustion chamber by expanding outwards. It also prevents the combustion gases leak or escape from the space in between cylinder head and piston crown. Liner. It is to provide durable and heat-resistant combustion chamber. Connecting rod. It does the function of transforming the reciprocating motion of a piston into rotary motion of crankshaft. It is fitted in between a crosshead and crankshaft in 2-stroke marine diesel engine, while in between gudgeon pin and crankshaft in 4-stroke engine. Cylinder head. It is the top part of the combustion space, while supporting all necessary valves required for the operation such as inlet, exhaust, and fuel injector. Exhaust valves. Large 2-stroke marine diesel engine have only exhaust valves mounted on the cylinder head. Instead of inlet valve they will have scavenge ports. Turbocharger. The function of a turbocharger is to increase the overall power and efficiency of an engine. It has two main parts: blower, turbine. Fuel injector. The function of the fuel injection system is to provide the right amount of fuel at the right moment, and in a suitable condition for the combustion process. There must therefore be some form of measured fuel supply, a means of timing the delivery and the atomization of the fuel. Crosshead. Crosshead serves as a hinging connection between piston rod and connecting rod. Crosshead guides and crosshead guide shoes absorb the forces onto the crosshead when the piston goes down. Stuffing box. In diesel engines, stuffing box is found in the bore for the piston rod. In the bottom of the Scavange air box. The stuffing box prevents the entry of lubricating oil from the crankcase into the Scavange air space. It also prevents the leaking of air from Scavange space to the crankcase. Scavange manifold. Scavenging is the process of removing exhaust gases from the cylinder after combustion and replenishing the cylinder with fresh air. The passage of Scavange air will also assist cooling of the cylinder, piston, and valves. Exhaust manifold. The exhaust manifold is an important part of any propulsion system. It collects the exhaust fumes generated from the engine during combustion of fuel and redirects it into the exhaust pipe. From the exhaust pipe, the gases are released into the atmosphere.